Pops! Pops!
What?
Pops, come here. Give me my phone, Pops.
No.
I need to search this on Google.
No, Google.
Okay then can you teach me how to draw the structure of 2-methyl 1,3,5 triobenzene?
2-methyl.
I forgot about. I will go 3-1 here and.
Now, don't you go to school, huh? Roaming with friends. Talking rather right? No.
Oh, Pops, I went to school daily, Pops. Well, the teachers don't teach us well. They advise us to go to tuitions.
I send you tuition. Wasting parents' money, no. You not going school, then I buying big car. With 3 wheels, no. 4 wheels.
The teachers, they taught us within a deadline, within a short period of time. The syllabus goes very, very fast and my brain, I forgot this. Oh, and also tell me how much is 2 million multiplied by 1.7 divided by 500,000 and subtracted by 4 and then multiplied by 0 is.
Teacher, what is in this? No. When we young, 2 plus 2 equal to 4 minus 1. There's 3 quick maths. It's only there teaching no.
Look, Pops, no, all the calculation. I even drew a kidney around here. Margins over here, so to get the answer right, but Pops. Oh, and one more thing. Tell me the exact date when Eminem and Beyonce walk on water.
Water.
Because I did that for history lesson around. But then, could you please go to Bahadur House
Bahadur.
to pick up the suggestion for next year's exam so that I could prepare in advance?
Bahadur House is, I think, very far. My scooter having 1 wheel, no.
I hate to express much from you, but you gave me the uses of phone, so Pops,
Let go. Whatever.
So what I'm trying to say to you guys is that it is the user but not the technology to blame. Cell phones are pretty useful while studying, but we can get extra information from Google. And okay. If you enjoy the video, drop a like. Don't forget to press the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.